Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Dennis with Western Material Handling. Today we are here excited to test drive stock number D21130. Excellent working 2008 Yale GLP060. This is the Veraciter series by Yale, latest and greatest technology. This is a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift equipped with a 3-stage mast. Does approximately 199 inches of max lift height. He's going to take it up for us. This unit has a wide 54-inch carriage with side shift, load backrest, low profile load backrest. As you can see, very tall up in the sky she will go. It's got a smooth running Mazda 4-cylinder LP gas engine, automatic transmission, lever shift. Has excellent, almost like new, solid pneumatic tires. There's a tilt function. He's going to hit the side shift for us. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to see our inventory. Thank you very much for watching.